broken Samsung phone and lost WhatsApp chats. This video shows 4 ways to recover WhatsApp messages from a damaged device. Way 1. Recover WhatsApp messages from broken Samsung without backup. When a Samsung phone is damaged and cannot be accessed normally, broken Android data extraction can help retrieve WhatsApp chats, contacts, messages, and other files from certain broken Android devices. How to restore. Step 1. Install the tool, connect your Samsung, and choose broken Android data extraction. Step 2. Enter device details, enter download mode, and start scanning. Step 3. Cover WhatsApp data. After the scan finishes, select WhatsApp or WhatsApp attachments. Preview the available data, choose the items you want, and click Recover to save them to your computer. Way 2. Retrieve WhatsApp chats from a broken Samsung via Google Drive backup. Prepare. Ensure your new phone has enough storage. Install WhatsApp. Download and open WhatsApp. Verify. Use the same phone number and Google account. Restore. Find the Google Drive backup and tap Restore. Way 3. Recover WhatsApp data on broken Samsung via Smart Switch backup. Connect. Open Smart Switch and connect your Samsung. Restore. Select backup data and start recovery. WhatsApp. Verify your account and restore chats from Google Drive. Way 4. Cover WhatsApp chats on broken Samsung by contacting Interlocutors. Contact. Ask friends or groups to export important chats. Receive. Get the text or zip file and open it on your device.